Hello everyone, this is Jaya. I am a plant lover, and you might have seen in my earlier videos that I have collected some plants for my balcony garden. So this time I thought of indoor plants, and today I am going to take you interior of my house, and that is to show you my indoor plants collection. So in this video, I will try explaining some benefits of indoor plants. If you are planning to spend for interior decoration, then I am here to suggest you that you can definitely invest in indoor plants because these plants not only will decorate your house but at the same time they will provide you much so many benefits. So I have collected some plants. I have collected some information regarding these plants. I thought I should tell you about these plants. So here in this video, I will try explaining the benefits of these plants. So let's enjoy. And you can see plants nearby me. You know that this is areca palm. And plants behind here, all these plants, I have kept it like this only because for video, because these two are hanging plants and there are some newly planted, and the place is different but still for video I did it. Okay, so let's have a look at the plants and I will tell you the information about that. If you like my video, you can definitely like, share and subscribe, and please comment me below. Okay, this is tulsi. Everybody knows the medicinal properties of tulsi, but apart from medicinal properties, it eliminates stress, and this plant keeps mosquitoes away. So mosquito repellent quality it has. So it purifies air too. And this is aloe vera. So this aloe vera is also useful, that heals burns. It has a soothing and cooling properties, so it improves digestive health as well and cleans acne too. Both of these plants need sunlight. So this is the third plant of my collection, that is money plant, that is Indian money plant. This is pothos. So this money plant purifies air, it reduces stress. So this also keeps uh, your surrounding fresh because it spreads positivity, it is said like that. And this is my favorite plant, that is jade plant. So this improves air quality, it increases indoor humidity, and it also absorbs carbon dioxide at night, and it needs very less water. So jade plant is also very useful plant, and it also looks very nice. See the leaves. This is another useful इंडोर प्लांट, दैट इज स्नेक प्लांट. हिंदी में इसको नागदमनी भी कहते हैं. सो स्नेक प्लांट ऑल्सो purifies the air, it produces oxygen 24/7, and it removes air pollutants from the air. So it absorbs CO2 from indoor air. So it is also effective against allergies. Those who believe in feng shui, snake plant is best for them. And this is another wonderful plant. This is zizi plant. Zizi plant looks very nice. See the glowy leaves of the zizi plant. It also purifies air, it gives you oxygen 24/7. This is very shiny plant and she's wonderful inside your house. This also helps to remove toxins like toluene, xylene, benzene, etc. So this is useful plant for purifying air, indoor air. So this is wonderful plant, and it doesn't need much care. It needs very less water, and you should not keep it in sunlight. This is my wonderful favorite plant, that is areca palm tree plant. This improves humidity as well. This plant emits oxygen This is useful for decoration. At the same time, this plant decreases stress. As per the feng shui, this decreases stress, so many people have this plant in their home. So this also absorbs air pollutants from the air, so it will make your house, all these plants will refreshes air and will keep your home germ free. So these all are very important plant. In this way, I tried explaining some benefits of these indoor plants. Whatever I know, I thought I should share with you all. Taking care of these plants is easy, so I will tell you in short. Tulsi and aloe vera love sunlight, so you can put them under the sunlight, doesn't matter. But in the night you can take them inside. So money plant also doesn't need direct sunlight, and it doesn't need much water, so you can water it within 3 to 4 days. And this is jade plant. Jade plant also doesn't need much water. After a week you can give it water. And this plant doesn't need much sunlight. It's better to keep it beside the window. So this is snake plant. Direct sunlight also okay for it, but I think you should put it near the window, so that indirect sunlight will help it. And this is zizi plant. You should remember that you should not keep this plant under the sunlight. It is not useful for the plant, so it's better to keep this plant inside the house only. Reka palm also doesn't need direct sunlight, so beside the window you can put it, so that indirect sunlight will help it to grow. And it needs special care, because it doesn't need much water. If you feel that the upper layer is dried, then only you can water it after 8 days. And for a zizi plant you can water even after 15 days too. So just remember these things. So whatever I know, I try to tell you. So just why are you waiting? Just go and get these plants and make your house interior decoration good. So enjoy the plant, and like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.